Hey guys, let me start doing this again. I guess this is not working. I'm not sure. Okay, yes, we are alive. Yes, 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 yes. So, well, hello everyone. I am Sinandra with Pitch Gorilla Mindset Coaching and welcome to our live today. Bem-vindos, my Brazilian family and tribe. Bem-vindos, Latin America. And benvenuti, my Italian friends. It's so nice to be here with all of you. This is my second attempt doing this live today. So, for those that don't know me, I'm Sinandra. I'm a neuroscience mindset transformation coach. I am a mother, I am a daughter, I am a wife, I'm a sister. I work with technology for over 17 years and maybe 18 years. Yes, yes. I'm also a business owner that, and I'm super passionate about service and contribution. So my grandma is one of the most inspiring women in my life. And I grew up with my grandma saying, your openness to learning how to serve others, facilitate your own ability to receive support and service. For the Brazilian people, what she used to say is: se você não se abre para aprender a servir as pessoas bem, você fecha todas as portas para receber o apoio e o serviço dos outros. I know, gringos, you don't understand what I said, but the Brazilian people knows. And at Pitch Gorilla, our services and programs are customized to provide strategies to empower our clients to balance their pitch, that their heart, right? Their feelings with their gorilla, their bodies and their emotions. So this is pretty much what we do. And I manage the mindset part of the business, mental health, and my husband team manages fitness and nutrition. Your journey starts with how you feel about who you are and how you see yourself, and I would say how you see who you want to become. Everything starts with your mindset. Um, at Pitch Gorilla, we offer a variety of programs to support your transformation. We have online programs that really are all virtual. We meet you once a month. They are designed to really fit your schedule and help you manifest your goals and dreams, you know. It's very cost effective, and we have over 200 clients only in virtual. Um, we also have our 101 coaching, our personalized guidance for you to navigate uh, your best self, right? Unique challenges that are blocking you to arrive there. This is a 101 weekly conversation, techniques, and really intense 16 weeks program. And we have group and workshops that we offer as well, that where you can connect with a supported community and we learn from each other. I normally guide you, and the community expand and brings you to places that you never consider. So I'm here to guide you and support you with your journey, helping you like craft a clearer strategy to step into your highest potential. um, what I really do is like I design a personal roadmap for your unique success, help you build new habits and stay consistent, and align all of that with your actions towards your future, the future self you desire to become. Um, Throughout our time together, I normally share tools with you so you are able to stay accountable and really manifest the goals and dreams that you have. All starts with a simple step. Just DM me below here in the chat. You see my complimentary link. You can also use that, or you can just DM me or Tim. Um, I just want to let you know that the first step has to come from you to prioritize you. And there is no better place than now for you today to do this. Today is the day. And I'm passing by here because I'm super excited to invite you, your friends, your family to the My Flow Within workshop. Okay, yes, this is an opportunity for you to put yourself first and prioritize you. Yes, I am super, super excited to have this event in the calendar, and I'm inviting you to put in your calendar because in the reality we pour our energy into our families, our careers, our relationship, and often we leave ourselves with what is left of us. But transformation begins when you prioritize you, right? Your well-being fuels everything you give to others. So if you're not in your center, aware, it's very hard, right, to make any types of shifts. Prioritize yourself, reclaim your energy, and show up as your best self. So come and join me and flow within. It is a 2-day journey for self-love and alignment. And when is happening? It's happening in March 29 and March 30 at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, and it is on for the 2 days. It's $35. Okay, so anybody can afford to participate and to really digest all these new tools, new techniques that I'm going to share with you, and really bring them to your calendar and customize for you. So how does this work? In the chat, you can see my booking link. You can just like secure your spot. You're going to pay the $35. I will send you a Zoom link. This is not a live, this is a private event. And you can just bring your friends and family and make time to prioritize you, okay? During our like 2 days of powerful tools, what I want to bring to you is a new perspective in how you can reset your mindset and break through limiting beliefs. I'm going to help you reconnect with your true power and purpose and align your priorities for success without burnout. Okay, this is not just another workshop, this is a shift. When we come together with a shared intention, giving ourselves time and space to honor who we are, that's when transformation happens. That's when the ship, I feel that the ship only begins when we are really aligned and conscious in what we are doing. So book your spot. The link below is below in the chat, and you just have to when you get my Zoom, just add it to your calendar and get ready to show up and prioritize you, okay? And really ready to flow with clarity in your life journey. So you are invited now, and your family, friends. I'm asking you to really share this live with anybody that you think will benefit from this time. It is an hour and a half on Saturday and an hour and a half on Sunday, March 29 and March 30. You have plenty time to work out, plenty time to have lunch with your friends and family and still invest in you. But now, just to prepare your mindset for the rest of your week and your weekend, let's take a moment and pause and realign ourselves. I would love to guide you in the short meditation for alignment, clarity, and inner power. You can always return to this life and revisit this practice whenever you need it, okay? So close your eyes, of course. If you're driving, don't do that. And let's take a deep breath. And let's educate our brain to count into 3. So take a deep breath, 1, 2, 3. And exhale slowly, 1, 2, 3. Let's inhale deeply, 1, 2, 3. And exhale, release, 1, 2, 3. As you inhale, I want you to visualize this radiant golden yellow light descending from above, surrounding your entire being. This divine light covers you in warm strength, connect you with your core personal power. Inhale in, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, slowly, 1, 2, 3. As you breathe, feel the golden energy activating your solar plexus chakra, located above your belly button. It's called Manipura. The solar plexus chakra is the center of your willpower, confidence, and self-belief. As you inhale, allow the energy expand. As you exhale, release self-doubt and limitations. Now, as you inhale, mentally tell yourself, I activate my soul divine blueprint. As you exhale and just mentally think about love. As you inhale, mentally tell yourself, I align with my highest potential. Feel this golden line flowing from your chest, illuminating your mind, heart, and entire body. Let it expand, bringing alignment, clarity, strength, and renew your commitment to yourself and to your journey. Take another deep breath in and fill yourself with peace. As you exhale, release anything that no longer serves you. Breathe in, welcome healing in all areas of your life. Just stay in that moment. As you exhale, embrace clarity. Now, gently open your eyes, return to the present, welcome back, feeling refreshed, empowered, and aligned with your purpose. Yes, this small practice helps you recenter with your best self. So, making time for yourself is non-negotiable. Turning down the volume of life is available for all of us, but is no one's responsibility but our own. Only you and I can control our thoughts. We hold the power to decide what we focus on and also where we direct our attention to. And what holds our attention will shape our mindset. Let's be real, every day we are pulled in countless directions. The news, politics, other people's opinion, work stress, home stress. There will be always something demanding your focus. But if you don't take control, the world will decide for you. And this will be putting yourself last always, and that will become your automatic, your norm. So today I'm inviting you to a workshop that will inspire you, prioritize you, and relearn how to flow within. This is an invitation for you, for your family, for your friends, because together we are stronger in the same frequency. So click the link below, book your spot, and be intentional about prioritizing you. And I see you on March 29.